Good afternoon, everyone. So here is our statement about the evolutionary of the animal that we want to explain to you. And the animals that we talk about right now is all about wolves and dogs. So here's a longer statement from it. Dogs were domesticated from gray wolves between 15,000 and 30,000 years ago, likely through human-wolf interaction and artificial selection. This process led to significant physical changes such as size reduction and behavioral adaptations, including increased docility and trainability. As a result, dogs have become an integral part of a human society, serving various roles from companionship to assistance and work. Despite their differences, dogs and gray wolves share 99% of their DNA, highlighting their shared ancestry and underscoring the remarkable journey of dogs from wild predators to beloved companions. That's all. Thank you.